Hello YouTube, and this is Host from Voltrex Development, also featuring Gavin. Say hello, Gavin.
Hello.
And today we're going to be answering your questions that you posted for our Q&A. So, we'll start with Not Spicy Nerd. He asked, can you make a temp ban command with discord.js, please? I mean,
it's a pretty easy command.
it's pretty damn easy. Like, I might bring this in the future in TypeScript series, maybe. Who knows?
Maybe temporary. That's not bad. Anyways, next question. Sad with two A's asked, why did you start Voltrex? Can you answer?
Wow, Voltrex has an interesting story. It actually started off. Well, basically, I got in contact with an old friend, Stasium, back then. We were talking about starting a development server, but never done anything about it. Then my bot, which is PyBot, we were doing some testing with it, and there was a testing server. And then other people started inviting their bots to that said testing server. Then eventually, I just changed it into Voltrex development, and yeah, we went from there pretty much. And I didn't expect many people to be watching our videos, but we do get quite a few viewers. Obviously, bigger channels are going to say we ain't got that much viewers, but to us, it's something. Next question. So.
Alright, next question. So, Salvage Dev asked.
No, it's not Salvage
No,
Dev's
no.
turn.
Okay, let me. I'm not even gonna pronounce his name. It's
Insectra.
INXEC. Sure. How did you guys made Voltrex bot/dev team?
Basically, basic JavaScript, basic TypeScript to make the bot, and
Express.
yes, Express. We use Discord Cairo. We use Discord.js. It is a very easy bot to make, just basic JavaScript. And as for the dev team, we don't really develop as a team, really. Like, the only thing that's really collaborated at the moment is Voltrex.db, and that's between Stasium, which he doesn't maintain it anymore, and then me and Creventa are currently maintaining it. Now it's Salvage Dev's turn, and he asks what made me start YouTube. I just basically, I want to be able to help people, and with that, by providing tutorials, and hope I can build a community from it too. And at the moment, when our community comes across toxic to some people love it. And honestly, we're just at this rate blocking out the haters. Next question.
Alright, so this one comes from Shadow Dot. Do you have any plans of quitting? If so, why? I do not have plans of quitting. Does Jose have plans? What?
Oh. Oh, okay. I mean, like, I thought he was gonna quit next month. Okay then. Jokes. No, we're not quitting. Yeah, so we don't need to answer the why. We're not quitting. We don't care how much hate or anything people put on us. We are willing to fight the power. We must fight the virus together. Together, we must stay at home, protect the NHS, and save lives.
Boris Johnson.
We will fight the raids that come to our server together as Voltrex Development.
Next question.
Okay. How can you make money through coding bots? Mr. Undefined, aka Silas, asked. Well, basically, you can do commissions and gain a bit of trust, become a better developer, learn basic JavaScript, and yeah, some people might actually buy bots from you. You can go on websites like Epic NPC, I think the website's called, and maybe sell services on there. Yeah. Next question.
Or like Dashboard, like Dino, but we don't. Dino doesn't have a question. Anyways, do you like waffles or pancakes?
Wow, it depends what kind of waffles you mean. Are we talking potato waffles, or are we talking like the sweet waffles? I've personally never tried the sweet
Sweet?
waffles. I've had
There's
potato
sweet
waffles though.
fucking waffles? What?
Yeah, I've seen waffles as a pudding.
Next question.
Hang on, I didn't answer the question.
God damn it.
I like pancakes and I like potato waffles. I've never tried the sweet waffles. Next question. Can you music bot
We're
tutorial?
supposed to switch up, excuse sir.
Okay, go on and say the question.
Next question. Baby Creeper says, can you music bot tutorial? We can do music bot tutorial. Yes, we can.
Literally, an episode got released today. Like, can you not look into the crystal ball and look into the future? Jeez. Anyway, next question from Dustin. What was the inspiration behind the name Voltrex? Okay, I'll answer that first before we get to the second part. In all honesty, it was an old friend of mine who come up with the name, and I used it, which I'm sure he does not mind, which he hasn't complained about it. So he does not mind, he just saw that random name and I used it. And then you asked also what was behind you guys starting the server anyways. I've already answered that in the first question. So,
next question.
Our very
Despacito.
lovely Nitro Booster. Shout out to Despacito.
How did you guys get so good at this? Basic JavaScript and having the patience to learn.
Read the documentation.
And we're not saying that just to everyone. We're saying it direct, kind of indirect. But,
We're being direct with you. Anyway. Not Spicy Nerd. Can you please make a profile command with Canvas?
No.
Maybe. If I do start an economy series, which would probably happen at some point, to be honest, I'll probably bring in a profile card command. Yeah, sure.
You should do a type or
Yes.
Yes. Next question. We're gonna answer two of them. Because it's the same person, same one. So it's export interface Nick, which is also known as Nick, JavaScript or TypeScript, or Python Lua. I'll let a host answer.
Okay. In the these are aimed at both of us, Gavin. We must both answer our personal opinions.
That's what I'm saying.
I reckon TypeScript over JavaScript because I like being able to define types. I like the IntelliSense, and I just like how it's exact. And then Python or Lua. I'm gonna. Oh, okay. They're both shit languages. Okay. God, you got me there, Nick. I mean.
Just say Python.
Python, sure. I don't have to justify my reasons to you.
So now I'm going to answer. So JavaScript to TypeScript. I think TypeScript is better because there's more error handling and it stops you from making major bugs. Yeah, I do like the types, and I just really like TypeScript over JavaScript. Although it's a superset for JavaScript, it does compile to JavaScript. So there's that. Python or Lua. If you're referring to Lua as in Roblox, because I know that you play that, I'm gonna choose Python, even though I hate Python.
Thank you. Dustin, JavaScript or Python? JavaScript.
Come on, JavaScript. Next question. It's another
Hang
question
on.
by Shad.
Whoa. We need to justify. So with JavaScript, it's a lot more faster than Python. Execution time is a lot more faster.
Python shit.
And the lazy programmers tend to use Python. Will a Python series ever come to Voltrex development?
Whoa, I haven't answered that. Hold on.
Oh, alright.
So yes, Python. So I'm gonna say something that Placid had said when he was in the server.
Oh, Placid.
Python does do everything.
And Placid, the one who
shittily.
keeps on making alts and then keeps on basically complaining when his appeal doesn't get accepted.
Anyway, so Python. So yes, Python does do everything, but just shittily. So next question.
Nice word, shittily. Okay. Slints Paradox.
Yes.
Why do I have hair on my PP? You're probably hitting puberty, mate. I mean, Google it.
Why the fuck? Just next question.
Next question.
How are you today? From Export Nick interface.
Oh, we're gonna have to lie
Next
about this. Yeah, we're fine.
Yep.
Nothing,
Next
nothing going on.
question.
Anyway. From Thoughtbot in human form, aka Oofy, our administrator, why don't you love quick.db? If
It's
anything,
shit.
it's slower.
It's a shitty module that was made for
Well, I mean,
beginners
SQLite
and
alone
novices.
is slow,
Yeah.
but then adding a module on top of that is slowing it down even more, if anything.
Next
I
question.
mean, with Voltrex.db, it's basically the same as quick.db, and we'll even say Voltrex.db is shit as well.
Anyway, next question. From Slint's Paradox again. And did my mom buy me a vape?
Sorry, is this... what's this? How well do you know me or
Pretty sure it's
something?
legal. I don't know, but no, Slint's asked if his mom bought him a vape, but I'm hoping that his mom didn't, because that's kind of illegal.
I don't know, we can ask 8Ball.
Yeah,
In fact, I happen to have an
vape.
8Ball in my room. Hold on, give me a moment.
What the fuck?
Okay, I've got my 8Ball now. So, let me, here's what we're going to do. We're going to ask it the question. So, did Slint's Paradox mum buy him a vape? Now we give it a good old shake. And now we have a look at the result. It says, can't say now. So that's the answer.
Well, alright. Okay, next question.
Go on and ask it. I'm currently stood up, not by my screen. I was putting my 8Ball back.
Quantum Toast. Is there a way to embed tables in Discord messages? I would like to format my data into neat rows and columns. If you mean something like an ASCII table, then maybe. But have fun formatting that.
Next question from Nick. Why is Slint's a weirdo? Oh, that is a very interesting question, Nick. Honestly, I think we need to do our research on that one a little bit more.
Yeah. How big are donkey tails? I don't fucking know.
Oh, hang on. I'm very good with animal facts. Give me a moment.
Cheat.
Hang on. Hey Google. How big are donkey tails?
According to the spruce, a mature specimen might have branches up to 2 feet long, with dozens of grey-green, plump leaves lined up like droplets.
There's your answer, Nick.
Oh, yeah.
Is the belly button for soup?
No.
What kind of question is that?
I don't
I mean,
know.
sure, if
Next
you want to lick
question.
soup out of a belly button.
Don't encourage that. Don't encourage don't encourage that. Next question. Matt TN, why are you? I don't know why am
Oh,
I.
hang on, I have a perfect answer for this. Let me ask the 8Ball again. Matt asks, why are you? The 8Ball, give it a good old shake. It says, unlikely. Yep, that's your answer, unlikely.
Alright,
Since
our
you want to
last
be random, we'll be random too.
Our last question, which is from our moderator, Silas.
Silas?
Do you have any hobbies? So, whatever.
Wow, if we're referring to me or my alt account Algorithm, so Algorithm likes to do adventure sports, even though that's a fantasy.
Well, but you can't, because even
We're in
because
lockdown.
adult means that it's
Oh, and he
real.
likes to travel to different countries for like half an hour at a time. He'll land in a country, stay
You
there
know,
for half an hour,
when
and then
this
take off
Q&A
again.
video comes out, I really hope that we have like the Voltrex politics people just like up there, just like, you know, just like Voltrex
Oh,
politics.
nah, I'm doing that.
You need to do that.
I'm gonna put that in
You
the background.
need
I'm doing it.
yes.
But
and you need like the Discord agreements.
being serious now, personally, my hobbies is programming and playing Xbox gaming.
Well, mine is gaming, programming. If sleeping is a hobby, I would actually say sleeping is one of my hobbies because I like sleeping.
Sleeping, a hobby? That is not a hobby. That is just part of
I
life.
don't give a fuck. I'm gonna count it as that. I like sleeping.
Right.
I am tired because I stay up until 2 a.m. Well,
Right.
that's kind of my fault. But
Anyway.
I'm gonna blame it.
This Q&A, we now have some questions for you to answer in the comments.
Ooh,
Mm.
switcheroo.
Yeah, switcheroo.
Give me that that notepad link that you definitely wrote and not just thinking about right now.
I'm thinking of questions right now as we speak.
Fuck.
Yeah. I just want to know, to our viewers out there, do our videos help you? And how do you think we can improve? That's all I have to ask.
Let's see. Oh, should I? So for the music bot series, Connor from the New Docs, hi. I know you're going to probably want to answer this, but just be unbiased, please. You know, we know that you're going to be watching this. Just come on. But anyways, is there anything that we could do to make the music? Is there anything I could do to make the music bot series better?
Use Arena.js.
Disgusting.
That's his only answer. Anywho, let's end the video there. So, thank you guys for watching, and we may host something like this in the future. I hope we've answered all your questions to your expectations. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Say goodbye, Gavin.
Goodbye, people, specimens of programming.
Thank you.